Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel. You can see I'm happy, I'm smiling because today we're gonna review Estee Lauder Blockbuster. And I'm gonna use today cool collection. Yes, Estee Lauder Blockbuster have a two beautiful holiday box. And today it's a cool collection. I'm not gonna talk about skincare because I already cover on, I will say, warm collection. Today I'm gonna show you how to use these beautiful lip colors and what is difference between warm and cool collection. And of course I'm gonna show you how to use this beautiful eyeshadow palette. We have here very beautiful gorgeous colors. And this is again cool color eyeshadow palette. You know, let me stop talking and bring you how I create this look and how I use cool collection Estee Lauder Holiday Blockbuster. Love you more than ice cream. If you like this look, if you like my channel, please give me a like, subscribe, comments below, and remember in December I'm gonna have a big video where I reviewing my favorite, I bring into you my favorite products, beauty products. If you're not yet familiar who I am, I'm Nordstrom beauty stylist. I don't work for any brand, and I'll show you my favorite products from 2023, and I'm gonna have lots of gift giveaway. I will send you home your present, and it's free shipping, but you need to live in United States. But let's start. Let me show you how I use cool holiday collection from Estee Lauder. I have already on me foundation, blush, eyebrows done, eyeshadow primer on my eyelid. We're gonna spend today time with this beautiful eyeshadow palette. Let me show you close this palette because it's so beautiful. I don't even want to touch this. It's just so like details on this eyeshadow. It's gorgeous. Okay, look at this again, eyeshadow. We have here with you 6 eyeshadow. Only one, only this one, it's little bit have a sheen. I will not say it's metallic or shimmer, it's little sheen. But I like this matte pinky undertone. Also, I will say this is 3 colors. To me, it's like, I will say cool tone, and these 3 colors will be more warm, but they're not like too goldy or too orangey. Gorgeous palette. Okay, let's start ruin this eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna do swatch first. Let's do these 3 colors. Okay, let me show you these 3 colors first. Voila, beautiful, so beautiful colors. And now let's do another 2. Oh wow, they are pigmented. Ooh. I feel like even this quality better than eyeshadow palettes, which one not limited edition, which one we always see at Estee Lauder counter. I wish they keep in this format, but let's try this. Okay, I have a big blending brush and we're gonna use this color first. This will be my middle color and we're gonna apply above my suckle area, and I always use in my hand. I apply first eyeshadow on my hand, on a brush, and then I go to my hand. Why I warming product, even sometimes you have a lot of eyeshadow here, it's basically my hand take off this extra eyeshadow. Again, we're gonna use right now is my middle color. And I'm gonna apply a little bit right here in the corner, go up and above. It's a suckle area. I go above my suckle area. You can see I even right now doing this way. I kind of pushing this color up. Eyeshadow go very soft, very natural. Let's reapply few more times. I do like this color. I love this quality. I just love how this eyeshadow goes on my eyelid. We are done with first color. You can see colors looks very settled, very soft. It's like so natural. It's like makeup, no makeup look. I love it. This will be my second color and I'm using the same blending brush. And this color I apply a little bit more on my crease. Oh, it's beautiful, like a taupey purpley, little bit purpley color. And I add in this second color a little bit more and more right here in the corner. Also, if you're not yet subscribed my Instagram, Katya Beauty Style, I think you're missing a lot. Because usually I create the look, I post it on my Instagram, and probably like in 1 or 2 weeks you will see full video. Voila, we're done with second color. Now I have a small blending brush and we're gonna use the second color and I'm gonna apply little bit soft underneath. Now I'm gonna use flat brush and I'm gonna use this first color. It's a matte pinky undertone eyeshadow. And this color I will apply right here on lower lid. Look at my eyes, they look so pretty. I like this slightly light pink matte color. Oh, my eyes look so blue, like a sea blue right now. Now I have a big blending brush and I'm just gonna blend all these colors together. I don't want heavy structural line. I want something soft and natural. Again, after 45, I like makeup, but I don't like too heavy because I look older. I'm gonna use this first color a little bit more on corner and I will push this color a little bit up. Now I have again the small blending brush from North, it's my favorite, and we're gonna use the darker color on this palette. It's like it's so black brown. I'm gonna apply very close to my lashes. Just you can see, just very little, step by step I'm doing. Just only halfway, I don't go all the way in the corner, just on a half. And now again I'm gonna just put little bit this more color on my crease. And I go a little bit above my suckle area. You can see I just very softly applying this darker color. It's not like I have a color on this brush, almost nothing. I just pushing this darker color a little bit up. Wow, I love this settled, soft look. Okay, let me set my makeup with setting mist from Lancome. Sorry, Estee Lauder, you don't have one. And of course, it's fragrance free. You know, my eyes so sensitive. And now I am gonna use my little finger, and we have one eyeshadow here, and it's have little bit sheen. It's not again shimmer metallic sparkle. It's have little bit sheen. Do I really need to put? I don't think so, but because we have, let me put. And I'm gonna put, you know what, let's put right here on the center. Oh, actually it's pretty. It's little bit turned like a purpley, slightly purplish, like, again, it's just bright sheen with little bit purpley undertone eyeshadow. Woohoo, we almost done with eyes. Now let's little bit blend with this small brush, very little. One more time. It's a darker color, just little bit more bringing up. It's not like I have eyeshadow, it's almost nothing here. Okay, very pretty, very soft. Let me get a beauty blender puff because I need a little bit clean underneath. It's my beauty puff. I have Laura Mercier powder little bit, and I'm gonna little bit clean just right here on the corner. I love my eyes, they look so soft. It's like makeup, no makeup, like a rich, I don't know if I can say this word, you know, on YouTube. But I really like. Okay, let's put little bit eyeliner. I will curl my lashes first, then I will put eyeliner, mascara, and it's time to do my lips. You know, I want a little bit extra pop. I have MAC eyeliner, it's a white eyeliner, and I'm gonna apply it on my waterline. And then, to complete this look, I'm gonna apply also this light color very softly under my brow bone, and I need to find a small brush to little bit blend there. I don't know about you, but I think this is so beautiful. Time to use liquid eyeliner, and I'm using steel eyeliner, and it's color tourmaline, and I apply very close to my lashes. I love this eyeliner. It's not black, it's a soft, it's harder to describe. I see here it's like a dirty, I will say, black brown color together. I love this soft natural look. Yeah, look at my hand, it's crazy, right? But I am a makeup artist. Now I'm gonna use mascara, which one we have in this beautiful holiday set. This is incredible deal. Again, this is beauty box, costs $85. Value it's $615. We have two different choices. Today you can see I have a cool colors, but we have four warm colors. There is more gold, brown, and like eyeshadow. Here it's more taupey, little bit purpley, little bit pink. Yes, you can buy one warm and another cool. And also right now at Nordstrom, if you will reach me on Instagram, Katya Beauty Star, you can purchase your beauty box Also, you can purchase, we'll say, your foundation or your cleanser, your toner, your lip liner, and you can receive another gift. Yes, we have it right now, Estee Lauder gift with purchase. And of course, if you go to my Instagram, Katya Beauty Style, you can see this gift how it look. Okay, love you more than ice cream. Let's put mascara and then we're gonna use a lipstick. It's getting a little bit dark outside. I actually shoot in with like ring light, but I have also behind my ring light natural light. But let me show you this two lip color, which one we have in this collection. You can see one it's like more pinky color and another it's more neutral color. Beautiful, beautiful colors. I think I'm gonna go with this one. It's a little bit confusing me, big name. It is limited edition, but if you look at warm collection and cool collection, lipstick have the same name, but they are different colors. And let me swatch for you these lip colors. And this is its two lip colors, two lip glosses. They have a little bit taste and smell. One it's like I will say a burgundy pink, and another is like a light pink one. I decided I wanna use neutral color. Oh, I love this lip color. It's neutral with little bit mauve undertone. It's beautiful. And you know what? Let's use this pale lip gloss. Will give me this extra glossy, sexy look. I come into camera a little bit close. Look at this beautiful lip color. It's little bit lip gloss, soft this lipstick, and it's so beautiful. I'm not sure if I like it taste, but I like how it feels. It's not sticky at all. I finished this look. Again, it's Estee Lauder Holiday Blockbuster 2023. It's beautiful, absolutely gorgeous eyeshadow palette. I love lipstick this year. This particular set, these colors, it's my favorite. It's very hard to find colors like this. Yes, you can buy like in my department and Nordstrom separate, but like from different brands and build, but this is set and this eyeshadow, it's so beautiful. It's make me look young, sexy, and I like this makeup no makeup look. Again, one more time, if you like this video, please subscribe, comments below, give me like. If you have any suggestion, please let me know how I can improve my YouTube channel. Love you all, love you more than ice cream. I will see you in my next video. Oh, and by the way, it is coming a big video. I'm gonna do a review some of my favorite product from 2023, and then in this video, which one it's gonna be review my favorite beauty product, I will have a lots of gift giveaway for people who support me, who follow me, who love me. Bye everyone.